Bom dia, good morning. It's my second day in Rio de Janeiro. I'm ready to start the day with my breakfast at La Bicyclette, just at the steps of the botanical gardens, which I will explore afterwards, and prepare myself for my big day at the beach.
They have a lot of art and fashion books, and also there a cafe there inside, so you can drink a coffee and also read some nice book.
Here I am at Joby, an address that the L team loves.
Joby. Really laid back, you can go wearing your bathing suit and flip-flops, and once there, order bolinho. It's a Brazilian croqueta made with yucca flour, and also chopp, our draft beer.
It's a place where you come for a quick snack and other fun things like empanadas de palmito, guarana juice, and I need this little energy because I have some adventures this afternoon. Adventures in the waves. There's nothing more refreshing than a little coconut juice walking along the boardwalk of Leblon Beach after a good surf. Day number 2 in Rio de Janeiro. Just one last address. We're at Aprazível restaurant. Typical Brazilian food. And the view over Rio is just gorgeous. I'm going to tell you boa noite.